Biopesticides. Biopesticides are a type of pesticides derived from natural sources, such as plants, animals, bacteria, or minerals, that are used to control pests and diseases in agriculture and public health. Unlike synthetic chemical pesticides, biopesticides offer several advantages, including reduced toxicity to humans and non-target organisms, biodegradability, and minimal environmental impact. They are an essential component of integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, which aim to minimize the use of synthetic chemicals and promote sustainable pest control practices. There are three main categories of biopesticides. 1. Microbial pesticides. These biopesticides consist of microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, or protozoa, that are specifically targeted to control pests. For instance, the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis (BT) produces toxins that are lethal to certain insects, making it effective against caterpillars, mosquito larvae, and other insect pests. 2. Plant-incorporated protectants (PIEs). PIPs are biopesticides created by genetically modifying crops to produce specific proteins that confer resistance to pests. These proteins are often derived from bacteria or other organisms with natural pest resistance. When pests feed on these genetically modified crops, they are affected by the proteins, resulting in reduced pest damage. 3. Biochemical pesticides. This category includes naturally occurring substances produced by plants or microorganisms that have pesticidal properties. These substances can be extracted, formulated, and used as biopesticides. Examples include neem oil, which is extracted from neem trees and has insecticidal properties, and pyrethrin, derived from chrysanthemum flowers, which acts as an insect repellent and contact insecticide. Biopesticides are increasingly being used as an environmentally friendly alternative to conventional chemical pesticides, especially in organic farming and IPM programs. However, their effectiveness can vary based on factors such as target pest species, application methods, and environmental conditions. Proper understanding of their modes of action and appropriate application techniques are essential for maximizing their efficiency. It is worth noting that the field of biopesticides is continually evolving, with ongoing research aimed at discovering new and innovative solutions for pest control that are safe, sustainable, and effective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest technology trends and innovations. Thanks for watching.